Namaste students. Let us start with these two questions. Let us solve them. Sold goods to Anuradha for ₹1 lakh at 10% trade discount. Means we have sold goods to Anuradha and we have given her a trade discount of 10%. Now as you all know that trade discount is not to be shown in the books of accounts. So simply we are going to pass one entry. Anuradha becomes the receiver of the goods and she is a natural person also. So as per the rule of the personal account, she should be debited. Goods goes out of the business, so you have to use the word sales for that. 10% trade discount. 10% of 1 lakh is 10,000. So here 90,000 you are going to show. And now we have given a condition to her that if she made payment to us within 15 days, then we can give her additional 5% cash discount. Read the question carefully again. We have sold goods to Anuradha on March 6. Got it? So this entry we have passed on March 6 that we have sold goods to Anuradha after charging trade discount. Now one condition is there that if she makes payment to us within 15 days, means up to 21st of March, if she makes payment to us, then we can give her additional 5% cash discount. Fine. Now she no doubt she made payment to us, but she made only 80% payment to us. She has not made the full payment. Fine. She had made only 80% payment. So remember one thing, that cash discount is given only on that amount which is being paid to the seller in cash. The buyer when will make payment to the seller in cash, then whatever amount he or she paid in cash, cash discount will be given on that amount only. So now 80% payment she paid in she made in cash, or we have received only 80% payment from Anuradha. So first of all check, 80% of 90,000 is 72,000 only. It means instead of making the whole payment, instead of giving whole 90,000 to us, she gave us only rupees 72,000. Now, as per the terms and conditions, whatever we receive in cash, we have to give cash discount on that amount. So take out 5%. 5% is 3,600. So it means that 72,000 she gave it to us. We gave a discount of 3,600 to Anuradha. Then exactly 68,400 only we have received in cash from her. Anuradha was ready to make payment of rupees 72,000 to us, but as per our policies, as per our terms and condition, if anyone would make us cash payment within 15 days, we have to give additional 5% discount to that person. So we gave discount of 3,600 to Anuradha, and in reality Anuradha only paid rupees 68,400 to us. So what are we going to pass the entry? Check students. Cash comes in the business. How much cash is come into the business? 68,400. So write it on the debit side. Now we gave discount to Anuradha. So this discount becomes an expense for us, a loss for us. Losses to be debited. 3,600. And who is the giver? Anuradha is the giver, no? Total how much Anuradha had to pay us? 72,000. So this 72,000 will be on credit side. I hope this point is clear to everyone. Come to the next topic now. Last question. Purchase goods from Trisha for ₹2 lakh at 10% trade discount. Now we have purchased goods from Trisha. Goods will come into the business. So purchases account should be debited. We haven't made any payment to Trisha yet. So this becomes our credit purchase. She becomes our credit. 10% trade discount. So 10% of 2 lakh is 20,000. So total 1,80,000. I hope this point is also clear by now. Now read further. Further it is mentioned that half of the payment was made by check at the time of purchase. Now what we did, as we have purchased goods from Trisha and we are making the books of, like we are making our books. So what we did, when we purchased goods of rupees 1,80,000 from Trisha, then we paid rupees 90,000 to her through a check on the same day. Got it? The day we purchased the goods, we made payment, we made half payment to her then and there. Got it? So it means the payment of 90,000 we have made to Trisha at the time of purchase. Now we are the buyer and Trisha is the seller. It means that this 5% cash discount will be given by Trisha to us. So now what Trisha will do? Trisha will give us 5% discount. That is 4,500. Now what Trisha will say, that instead of making payment of 90,000 to me, make payment of 85,500, because as you have given the cash payment, so I have to give you some discount. So now this discount of 4,500 becomes an income for us, because we are making our books, we are not making Trisha's book. So check, we have got a discount. We means our company has got a discount. So now what journal entry we are going to pass for it? Entry will be, as we are making payment to Trisha, so Trisha's account will be debited. Got it? Actual cash goes out of the firm and some discount. Trisha becomes the receiver, debit the receiver with 72,000. Actual cash goes out will be credited, that is 85,000, it is 90,000. It is 85,500. How much discount she gave us? She gave us discount of rupees 4,500, which is an income for us. Thus that has to be credited. I hope this topic is clear to everybody. Please check. First of all, in the above question, we sold goods to Anuradha, so she was our debtor. We sold goods to her after charging trade discount of 10%. Then she made payment, 80% payment to us, so we took 80% of 90,000, that is 72,000. Then we gave her discount of 5%, because as per the terms and condition, if someone make payment to us within 15 days, we have to give 5% discount to that person. So discount is 3,600. So in reality, Anuradha paid us only rupees 68,400. So how much cash comes in the business? 68,400. Discount we gave to Anuradha, that is an expense for us, 3,600, to Anuradha 72,000. But in this case, what is happening? We purchase goods from Trisha. So Trisha becomes our creditor. Got it? We made payment, 50% payment to her. So 50% is 90,000. As we are making some cash payment to her, so she is giving some discount to us also. So that discount is 4,500. So ultimately, how much we are paying to Trisha? We are paying only 85,500 to Trisha. So Trisha becomes the receiver. Actual cash goes out is 85,500 and discount is of 4,500, becomes an income, so it should be credited. So I hope students that the concept of trade and cash discount is clear to you. So you keep on practicing the questions and make best use of quarantine. Thank you.